Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing our Ipsy unboxing for the month of March. Did not forget, I need to get this video up before March ends. So I will be showing you what I got for this month, as well as the add-ons that came in the box with the products that I did choose. And then I did purchase two things from the Mega Drop shop, I think is what it's called. So if you do not know what Ipsy is, well, it's now Boxycharm by Ipsy, but it is a monthly subscription box where you pay once a month. In the beginning of the month, you get to choose 3 out of 5 full-size products. They get to choose 2 of your power picks for you, and then you do get to see what you're getting in your box before it even comes to your door. Plus, you get to choose some add-ons that are at a great discount price, and you get to shop their drop shops as well, which are pretty cool. There are so much different things that you can choose from: skincare, hair care, makeup tools, hair tools, makeup, like just so much. And so it's good high-end brands. Some of them are indie brands, and you get it for a great discount. So if you are a makeup lover, skincare lover, whatever it is, I do recommend giving them a try, especially if you're trying to build your collection up. It's a great way to do it. I'm sure you will fall in love and get addicted just like me. I'll go ahead and link their website down below in case you do want to sign up or just check them out. Nothing is affiliated. I am not sponsored by them. I just truly love this brand, and who knows, maybe one day. Let's manifest that. One day we will be a partner. All right, so here's the box. Now, I'm always going to be truthful and honest, and I don't even know really how to go about it, but I am missing one product from my box. So, and now it's been some time since I got my box that I'm like, I don't even know if I should report it. I think I will go ahead and report it next time if it would happen again. I just don't know how to report it. So I guess it's just contacting their team and letting them know that there was a main product missing from my box. It's actually a product I think that I chose. Yeah, it was one of my products that I chose, which it was like just like a sleeping mask, so like a lip sleeping mask. So it's not like that big of a deal. I think it was from Asology or something, but I am missing that product. So I only got 4 out of my 5 products. That never happened to me before, so I'm not sure what happened, but if that happens to you, definitely report it, get it figured out. I think I don't know if I waited too long. They're gonna be like, girl, you had your box for how long? You're just reporting it now. So I don't know, but let's get into the rest of the products. Another product that I chose was the Evereden SPF 50 Premium Mineral Sunscreen Lotion. So with spring and summer coming up, I mean, I put sunscreen on my face every single day, even if we're in the winter, even if it's fall. But with summer coming up, I really make sure that I am wearing my sunscreen, and I am getting low actually on my sunscreen. So I thought, why not pick up this bad boy? So I did choose this. Another product that I picked out was from Defan Beauty by Tatcha. I have no idea. I'm probably gonna butcher the name, but this is what the packaging looks like, and this is a liquid liner. The reason I picked this out was because out of my options, this was like the one that like best intrigued me, because when you choose your products, you do get like a group of products for each choice. So for choice number 1, you can choose out of these products. Choice number 2, choice number 3, you know, you get it. So out of all the choices, this was the product that intrigued me the most. I do like how it's like shaped, like it looks so cool looking, but look how teeny tiny this like felt tip is. It just looks so little, and so I was very interested in it. I did see someone review this and really like it, so I'm excited to give it a try. And of course, I got it in the shade Carbon Black. The product that they chose for me, which is what is considered your power picks, is the Luna Rain from Earth Harbor. It's their Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum. I fly through serums. I go through them so quickly because I am very consistent with my skincare every morning, every night. Once in a blue moon, I might go to bed with just washing my face and throwing on some moisturizer. Same thing in the morning. If I'm running late, I might wash my face, put on some sunscreen, some moisturizer, and head out the door. But for the most part, I am doing my full step of my skincare routine. And so this is like a solid bottle, so maybe what is in here cannot be like exposed to the light for too long, but this is what the packaging looks like. So I'm really excited to get skincare because, like I said, I love my skincare. I love doing my skincare in the morning and night just as much as I love doing my makeup. So I always say it's nice to love makeup. It's okay to like makeup, enjoy makeup, put on makeup, but make sure that you're taking care of your skin underneath and that you love yourself without the makeup too, okay? The last product that they chose for me is from Yensa. It's the Super Serum Silk Concealer. Not that this girl needs another concealer in her collection, but it's vitamin C, Furlic Van Kuchoy, 8 Super Black Essence, the power of 8. So breaking it down, it has black rice, nettle, something like that, black raspberry, chia seed, black seaweed, shiitake mushroom, black sesame oil, and black tea. So those are the 8 black ingredients that are, like 8 black essence ingredients that are in here. Meaning of yen: Chinese, color and face; English, deep desire and passion; Vietnamese, calm and peaceful; and Japanese, currency. So this is the packaging of the concealer. It's just like a nice copper top with some cute detailing, and this one's in the shade Light 2, which should be a good shade for me, so I'm actually really excited to try this concealer out. I mean, I wasn't looking for another concealer. Like I said, I have a lot in my collection, but this is a product they chose, so I'm excited to actually give it a try. For my add-ons, I did choose 4 add-ons that came in the box with everything else. I feel like I got some good stuff, guys, okay? I picked up the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Bright Pore Tight Toner. God, I can't talk today. It is a mini. I think these were, you can choose from like mini sizes, deluxe. I think they have full-size products. Like they have like different tiers. Like I think those are like, they have like a $3.50 tier, a $6, you know, stuff like that. So again, I will list the prices of everything if I can find it. But I did get this. So it's a deluxe size. It's not like a full size or anything, but it's so cute. Another cute but mighty product. I finally got my hands on the Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. Everyone and their mother talks about this cream, and I don't think I will ever buy the full-size product. At least I can't imagine myself spending that much money on skincare. But when there are other alternatives out there, but this is so, it smells so like spa-like for what I can smell. But anyways, it says replenishing Japanese purple rice for dry skin. So I'm really excited to give this a try. It's definitely a nice mini version, as you can tell. Like it's pretty little, but it is filled up pretty full. I feel like I'm gonna get a good couple uses out of this. Okay, another product from Glow Recipe, and I think this is full size. This is their Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops Pore Refining Blurring Serum. It's a treatment primer like in one, which is pretty cool. So this is the product. You can use it on its own. You can use it as a primer. And this is what the product looks like. I am super excited to get my hands on this and try this. And like I said, it's 1 4 ounce, 30 ml. So I believe this is like their full size. So that is pretty cool. And then I did pick up the Kosas Revealer Super Creamy Brightening Concealer. I wanted to try this so bad for so long, but I just was like, I don't need it. I don't need it right now. I have way too many concealers. But when I saw that I can try it in like a mini version, I was like, okay, just throw it in the bag. I got mine in the shade 04 Neutral, which is light medium with neutral yellow undertones. I don't know if it's going to work out for me or not. Who knows? But this is what the shade looks like. And you see how like mini and cute it is. Like this, I'll compare it to like the full size, like to a full size concealer. So this is like a full size concealer. This is the mini. But I think to just try it out and not even know if I like it or not, I think this is a good size to start out with. And again, I'm not paying full price for it, so I'm saving a good amount of money. But yeah, I got a little Kosas concealer. It's so cute. Okay, so that was everything that came into my box. This is how much my box was worth. This actually just came in the mail like 10 minutes ago, probably. Yeah, I would probably say like 10 minutes ago. So these are the products that I bought a couple days after I chose my products in my Boxycharm box in the, I think it's the Make a Drop Shop or the Drop Shop or something like that. But I was trying to behave. There was a couple products I had in my cart and then I did remove them because I was like, you don't need all of that, Sierra. But these blushes It's 2 blushes, okay, from the same brand. I just got 2 different shades. But I feel like it was a really good deal because these blushes are pretty expensive. I will put how much I paid for them and how much they are normal price. I like how it came in like a bubble wrap envelope, and then they also came in like bubble wrap wrapping because I did not want these bad boys to break. So excited, guys. I'm so excited. All right, so I got the shade Pink Buttercream. It's the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten Marbleized Blush, and I got it in the shade Pink Buttercream and Coral Cove. So these are the 2 blushes that I got. As you can see, like, it's, oh my god, I got a Laura Geller Baked Blush, like, I think it was in my very first Boxycharm box that I've ever got, and so this was like years ago. Okay, I used pretty much of it. Like, I was flattening that blush out. I did not get a chance to pan it because I just got so many other blushes in my collection, and so eventually I did go ahead. I don't know if I decluttered it and passed it on before it expired, or it probably expired and I just decluttered it completely. I'm not sure. I don't remember. I don't have it in my collection anymore, but I was like, it's time for me to restock. I don't remember the shade, but that shade that I had, oh, it was so good. Okay, it was so good. So I'm excited to see in person, because you know, like, you look at shades online and you're like, okay, and then you get it in person and you're like, oh, that's not what I was expecting. That happens to me all the time with blush. I was sad at first because I was about to report this package missing because it stopped tracking on March 14th. Okay, March 14th, it stopped tracking, and I was like, it's been like a whole week since. So I'm like, where is my package? It was supposed to be delivered yesterday, actually, and so I was like, let me give it some time. And then today when I woke up, I checked the tracking, and it updated to out for delivery for today. So I was like, okay, I was about to report you missing. Okay, I actually think, I don't know, I gotta check. I have the video uploaded on YouTube, so let me go check my very first YouTube video to see if this is actually the same shade, because it looks very similar. But yeah, this is in Pink Buttercream. Oh, you know what? No, this is not the same shade. It's still so beautiful, and I wasn't looking to repurchase that shade, but honestly, I don't even know if they had the same shade on there, but look at that shade. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Let's swatch it. Yes, 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 yes. I'm so excited. Oh my god, that's such a beautiful color for like literally summer, spring, fall, like winter. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. And I just love blushes that give you a little bit of glow, a little bit of life. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, all right, this one is in the shade Coral Cove, which I'm excited for this one as well. Yes, this one's going to be my summertime baby. Oh my god, look how gorgeous that is. Like, okay, let's watch. Oh, yes, I hope it shows up on my skin tone, but oh my god, it looks so good. It looks so good. If you had fair skin, like really fair, oh, I think that would be beautiful. Oh, the pigments. Okay, I was scared that it wasn't going to show up, but I feel like my hands are tan, like, and so if it shows up on my hands, it's going to show up on my face. But look at that. Look at that peach. Look at that. Oh, can you guys see? I feel like I'm like angled weird. All right, I'm happy that these bad boys are in my hands and they're not lost. All right, guys, that is everything. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Until next time, bye.